It was very amazing. So Serbia, this is the first time in Serbia. People are very kindness for me, and food is very good. So red wine is wonderful, and Fotorama is amazing. It's like make a progress for photography and expand the photography images. Yeah, it's very grateful event. Yeah, thank you for inviting me. Okay, MUGA is enlightenment of Buddhism, means like that. So stand back and looking widely with objectivity. That's MUGA. Meaningless. Everything's meaningless. That's MUGA. But we enjoy subjectivity, but sometimes get out subjectivity bubble and looking widely with objectivity. This is means MUGA. So this exhibition, I exhibit a series of just a thin paper. It's made from just a cutting paper, and for me, just a photography is a fiction. It's a 10% true, 90% fiction. This is my artwork, and I just want to say, enjoy our subjectivity, and sometimes stand back and get out our subjectivity bubble with objectivity. Maybe European people, just American people thinking about just some fiction, and the censorship is just fighting just about censorship for art people. But I have a critical thinking about like that, and sometimes I enjoy censorship. It's a result of censorship. This is my artwork. So this sticker, it's like a metaphor of censorship, Japanese censorship. When I was young, so I took a porn magazine from my older brother's room. So I wrote that, and I saw that. So I couldn't see just a genital of female by censorship, but I enjoy and I imagined it pretty much a truth to purge. So that's my message. So sometimes I really enjoy censorship. This is a result. This is my artwork. It's kind of a result of censorship. Yeah, it's no censorship. It not exist my artwork. That's why. Yeah. The one way thinking, just a censorship. Oh no, censorship is very bad. This cannot bring me artwork. Yeah. Sometimes getting bring me good result, but sometimes very bad. But we can thinking like a philosophical. So I don't want to decide this is the right, this is the wrong. We can thinking about deeply because that's humans, right? Yeah. The word means it's a critical thinking about photography, because photography use newspapers or magazine many times. So and with word. That means just from Japanese comic. Japanese comic has many sound word, but. It's a meaningless, but we can imagination that sound. We can play that sound. It's a really Japanese imagination, but everything's really meaningless. The word connected photography much stronger. I took some lectures of Serbian artists. Analog photography. This is not Serbian artist, Japanese artist. It's no difference. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, never get just a narrow perspective and thinking about your identity and your layers of your life. So if you want to become artist, I think just have to thinking deeply what photography is, just for use of photography, and if you use a technique, so have to thinking deeply what technique is for you. It's very important for your life. Please express what photography is for you, and what's relationship you and photography? Yeah, this is a very important thing for me and for young artists. Yeah, I think so. Fotorama, star?
Došli.
Došli.